Hey, all right, y'all. So tomorrow we're gonna sell the Scat. It's gone, like gone or see ya, bye bye. Next, it's either gonna be a Hellcat, Widebody Hellcat Jailbreak. It's this one that I'm looking at. It's purple. Let me show y'all real quick, bro. Look at it. Look how pretty that shit look. Hold up. Let's look at the pictures real fast. Tell me that ain't nice, bro. Swipe up. I mean, not swipe up. This ain't a Snapchat. Comment, bro. Tell me if you fuck with it or not. But the only thing is, I'm not gonna be able to tell the difference other than power. Like everything, I mean, I'll be able to tell the difference, obviously. What I'm saying is, I don't know. Like, I love Hellcats. I love how the wine is and everything. But like, it's not gonna feel like a new car to me. I don't know if, I'm not sure if this is gonna make sense to you guys, but for me, everything from interior wise is gonna be the same. Look at it. Look at this shit. It's the same. I mean, even for another, you know, any other car, it's honestly gonna be the same. But like, I don't know if I want to go back to this, but like, I'm looking at this. I'm considering this. Look at that shit, boy. Nah, that's crazy. I'm considering it, all right? My second option is this. The bad thing about this one is it already sold. I was looking at this. I love how it looks. I love the seats it has. I love the fucking car. I like how it is. This vehicle is in New Jersey at J&S Auto House. They have multiple locations and they sell high-end cars. They're also pretty big on like TikTok and stuff. Check them out. But they have this vehicle I was supposed to go look at in 3 days. It's sold today when I called. They said the vehicle's been sold, but it's fine because I already had made my friend go over there to look at some, you know, just look at the vehicle before I flew over there. But I'm still going because they have another vehicle I'm looking at. But that, I don't mind it. It's just a rock chip. Same thing with here. The only thing I didn't fuck with is look at this shit, bro. Got a whole key. That's a big ass scratch, right? And that ain't just gonna be, no. So I talked to them. I asked if they were gonna do anything about it. They said, nah, this and that. So I'm like, fuck it. So then we have this option. I don't like black. I like colors that are bright, you know? But anyways, this one's still nice. I'm considering this one as well. This one's in Ohio. So 89,000, right? 3,000 miles, not bad at all. 2022. This one has white bucket seats. So that's pretty neat. White bucket seats. And that's how it looks. Let me close up on it. Focus. All right. So white bucket seats. That's how the interior looks. And that's how it looks on the outside. All right. So, all right, yeah. So let me just show you the seats of the M3s I was looking at. These are the seats. They're white and black. The back is it's fully exposed carbon, and then it has like a little, this thing lights up. It says M3 on it. And let me show you the back. Look at it. Tell me that ain't nice, bro. Look how sexy that shit look, bro. Oh my God. I fuck with it, bro. I love these seats. All right, definitely not gonna lean towards this just because out of all the cars I'm looking at, you know, I know you guys gonna hate me for this, but this is also in New Jersey, so we gonna might as well. We'll see. And I don't know. I fuck with GTRs, but I've never been a fan. Like, I personally wouldn't get a GTR. We have the Shelby GT500, right? Dream car, by the way. Look at that. I had that shit for 2 years. 2 years. This model car. Look at it. We have the Shelby GT500, right? And the M3. So we'll find out. You guys will find out. So tomorrow we're gonna go sell the car. We're gonna sell the Scatpack, and we're gonna decide. First thing is to sell the car, and I fly over to New Jersey to look at a couple cars. See you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go sell the Widebody Scat. All right, yeah. That's the beautiful Mustang. It's back, all fixed up. You know what I'm saying? It got some bird doo-doo on it, but we good. I have bigger tips for these. I need to install them. I have bigger tips for that, but we're gonna have to, if somebody wants it, bro, like, and you in the area, let me know. But that lip is gone on this car. Say goodbye. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these tires off. Sorry, y'all, I forgot the cold start on this shit, but hey, I just started it. I should have recorded. Damn, my bad. Hey, I've been on this YouTube break. But here's it's on. Let's pop the trunk. I need to put the new tires in there. Look how sexy that thing looks. With the lip, it looks crazy, but even without it, it's alright. It looks a little, it looks bald. miss this thing. All right, let's go. Honestly, I have PTSD. Oh, another thing, the steering wheel is, they unplugged it right now because apparently, I don't know. I think they were BSing, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with the steering wheel, but I think something wrong with the Uconnect system itself. That's the reason why the battery was dying on this car. But yeah, for now it's unplugged, so just disregard that. And another thing, oh shit. Oh, driving in the rain, bro. Right now it's not bad, but when it pours, I swear I have PTSD from fucking hydroplaning in that Mustang. This tire behind me. This tire behind me, bro. Alright, we at the shop right here. So there it is. We're taking those tires off. Dang, look at that adaptive suspension on that. Hey, these brakes are still good. They're still solid. This is the one that has nail, y'all. Right here. But he's gonna patch it up.
This is just a zombie zone, man.
Oh yeah. Guy's taking up the sky. Boy, I would do a pool for these people, but I don't want to take the risk of losing the car before I'm about to sell it. But look, I'm gonna give them a little bit. Hey, bro, I'm spinning. I can't fuck around like that. Watch. It's too wet, and I already had an experience with the wet weather, and I'm done, bro. We're not gonna fuck around with that shit. Oh yeah, it sounds good as hell, bro. I need to plug in the steering wheel, cause fuck it, right? I mean, the car's gonna sell anyway. Oh my god. And this shit backfires too. It's better than BMW sometimes, not gonna lie. Take goodbye. Oh shit, that's an op. We gotta be careful. I don't know if y'all saw him, but it was a fucking 12, undercover 12. Alright, I'm gonna grab food. I'll catch you on a little bit. Yeah. Chick-fil-A. That's my homie Khalil.
What's up?
Yeah. Hey, Best Buy people hooking me up. We finna remove the camera we just had installed on that car. Oh. I swear, bro. We got the best people here at Best Buy. Uninstall it because I'm getting rid of the car. Thank you, bro.
That's really good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be my car now.
It's the next car. This is for you. You gonna need this to make the steering wheel function. Oh, they're getting the car out. It's done. All right, y'all. We got the dash cams out. They're in this bag. But that's perfect. Now we can. Oh shit! What the fuck? We got the cams ready. Now, only thing is, I'm waiting for the bank to call me at 2. After that, it's finalized. We're gonna go sell this car, and that's it. It's a wrap. It's a good journey. This car had, had plenty of fun with it. Love this thing. Well, that's one thing I'm gonna miss. Even though this was aftermarket, I did it. Whoever gonna get this car, bro, they're gonna love it. They're gonna love this car. See, I'm such a clever guy. I wrote a little note. Keep with car. This is for the steering wheel to work. And I put my YouTube on it. Alright, y'all. We here. We finna sell this boat. Alright, y'all. We finna go in there. But I'll catch you guys after everything's settled. Alright. Screw it. SRT. Okay. Alright, y'all. This thing is gone, though. Hey, the person gonna get these lights, the steering wheel. I left this little thing with the note on it to keep it with the vehicle. Otherwise, the steering wheel is not gonna work if you don't have that, right? But it's a wrap. I guess Blood, if he get a cut, he can have those bandages. Hey, he can have these WeatherTech mats. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna sign it. Yep, the lip is gone. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Alright, Neil, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, this is end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned, because next video is going to be the next car. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.